So the way the economy is going now, right? We have to find various ways of having extra money, extra cash, extra assets, extra ways of keeping your money. And one of those ways is like cashback programs and things like that, right? Cashback, rewards, things like that, because it adds up and you can cash it out. So one thing you can do is get into one of them programs like that to definitely be able to either save some or even earn some money from it. One of these ways I'm going to talk about in a minute, but about to go up in here real quick, get some gas, probably a snack before I head into work. But these are some of the ways that we can either keep extra money in our pockets or generate extra money. I'm gonna talk to y'all. Yeah, so sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I meant to record while I was in the gas station to show you guys what card I use, and it's a crypto card, but at the same time it's a regular debit card. So what you can do is when you use it as a regular debit card, like you can put funds on it through your bank account. You can also put funds on it through your debit card, or you can also be able to fund it by your crypto. So what you can do is you can buy crypto, and when those crypto, like right now, crypto over the last month has been moving on up because we're after the halving as well as the bull market and some other things like the Bitcoin ETF from like BlackRock, Fidelity, and big companies like that. So what happened is, say you bought some crypto, Bitcoin or Ethereum or whichever crypto you bought, and those crypto happen to go up. What you could do now is you can move those profit or whatever gains you have, you can move it to a stable coin and keep it that way onto like a USDT or USDC, which is like pegged to the dollar. Or what you could do is you can tap up your crypto.com debit card with portions of your crypto. So say for example, you purchase some crypto at $100 and it goes to $120. What you could do is you could tap up that $20 profit onto your card. So also you get the cash back, and the cash back basically gives you in crypto, and you will earn crows, which is the crypto.com. It's a utility coin. So you get some crows. And right now, we're going to be in a bull market. So when you get those cash back, the crows that you accumulate is at a low price. And with those low price, what you do now is you're able to, with those low price, what you're able to is watch it go up because it's a bull market. And when it goes up, during a bull market, what you can do is you can either move it to other coins, or you could stake it. If you have like a good amount that you don't need or whatever like that, you could stake it, and that also gain interest. And like I said, when the bull market goes up, goes up, and you profit off of it, because in the crypto app, crypto.com app, they show you like how much you spend and how much you gain and stuff like that, your realized profit and losses. So you can able to understand your gains. If you got gains, then you can even tap that up onto your crypto.com card and be able to use it as a regular debit card. So hope you got some value out of this, some good information. I'm gonna leave my link, my affiliate link, in the description, where you can also, if you open an account, you get I think $25 towards your account, and I also gain something from it. So once again, it's Ainsley D. Hope you got some value out of this. I'll talk to you later. Peace.